camping and backpacking are outdoor activities that offer a unique opportunity to connect with nature, escape the hustle and bustle of daily life, and challenge oneself physically and mentally. Whether you're embarking on an arduous hiking expedition or setting up a cozy campsite by the lake, a reliable camping chair is your ultimate companion. While many outdoor enthusiasts focus on essentials such as tents, sleeping bags, and cooking equipment, the importance of camping and backpacking chairs should be appreciated. These portable seating options can greatly enhance the overall camping experience and offer several significant benefits. In this video, I will tell you about the 5 best camping and backpacking chairs in the market. I have given the product links in the video description. I hope you will get the best product of your choice, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Number 5. Nemo Moonlite Reclining Chair. This chair is no ordinary camping chair. It introduces a range of features that set it apart as a game changer in outdoor seating. The frame of this chair is made of aluminum, capable of supporting up to 300 pounds. You will get according to the color of your choice: black pearl, coriander, lagoon, blue horizon, huckleberry, hazy aqua. The adjustable seating position is the most important thing about this chair. Whether you're indulging in a hearty meal or simply gazing up at the stars, this chair accommodates your preference effortlessly. The flexibility to recline or sit upright makes it versatile for various outdoor activities. Your body will feel weightless when you sit in this chair. The Moonlite achieves this through its seamless seat design. Crafted from custom-engineered mesh, the seat stretches to accommodate different body types, eliminating the discomfort often associated with seams. Its intuitive design, featuring shock-corded frame components and ball-and-socket seat attachments, aligns perfectly with your body's contours. This harmony of design ensures relaxation without the need for constant adjustments. Each pole in the chair's frame is meticulously designed with unique diameters and shapes, striking a balance between strength and weight. Premium forged aluminum hubs and oversized aluminum tubes ensure durability without compromising on quality. You can sit back in your Moonlite chair and enjoy being surrounded by the great outdoors. As you lean into the seamlessly designed mesh, it will feel as if you are suspended in midair. The chair's ability to adapt to your body's shape and the adjustable seating position truly transform outdoor relaxation into a transformative experience. The Moonlite chair uses 100% post-consumer recycled materials for its webbing and mesh. The use of Blue Sign-approved materials for the reclining hardware and seat mesh further reinforces its eco-friendly design. Whether you're planning a solo camping trip, a family picnic, or a backpacking adventure, consider the Moonlite chair your ultimate companion. Number 4. Coleman Forester Series Bucket Chair. Designed to bring comfort, durability, and convenience to your outdoor experiences, this chair is a must-have addition to your backyard, campsite, or patio setup. With a more streamlined look, this chair brings a touch of modern aesthetics to your outdoor space. Its sleek and versatile design ensures that it fits seamlessly into any environment, be it your backyard oasis or campfire circle deep in the woods. Whether you're enjoying a lazy afternoon in your backyard or heading out on a camping trip, this chair has you covered. Its adaptable design allows it to transition effortlessly between different settings, providing comfortable seating wherever you go. It is made of a solid steel frame, capable of supporting up to 250 pounds. This chair is available in gray color only. Whether you're settling in for a long chat with friends or simply soaking in the beauty of nature, this chair offers unwavering support. This chair is made from durable polyester material. This choice of fabric guarantees that your chair will withstand the test of time and the elements, ensuring that it remains a reliable companion for multiple seasons of outdoor enjoyment. You can enjoy sipping your favorite drink while relaxing under the open sky. It is equipped with an oversized cup holder designed to accommodate your favorite Coleman tumbler. You to savor every sip as you unwind by the campfire or lounge on your patio. The Coleman Forester Series Bucket Chair includes a convenient carry bag, making transportation and storage a breeze. Whether you're loading up the car for a weekend getaway or simply moving the chair from one corner of your yard to another, the carry bag simplifies the process. Whether you're lounging in your backyard or embarking on a camping trip, this chair promises a comfortable and relaxing seat that's ready to accompany you on countless journeys. Number 3. GCI Outdoor Pico Armchair. The chair is designed to elevate your outdoor experience by offering a perfect blend of comfort, portability, and quality construction. Whether you're going for a camping trip, a picnic in the park, or a lively outdoor concert, you can have this chair as your trusty companion. The included messenger-style bag, complete with a padded shoulder strap, makes transporting the chair a breeze. With a weight of 9.7 pounds, it is remarkably light. It can carry up to 250 pounds of weight. available in indigo and mercury gray colors. Made from lightweight aluminum, the chair's durability and portability are both excellent. This sturdy frame ensures that the chair can support varying body sizes up to 250 pounds while maintaining its stability. The nylon mesh backrest not only enhances the overall aesthetics of the chair, but also increases airflow, keeping you cool even on hot days. The chair's telescoping system sets it apart from other chairs. This system not only simplifies the setup process, but also enables the chair to fold down to a fraction of its open size. You can effortlessly pack it into the messenger-style bag, saving valuable space for other essentials. In addition, this chair has 2 mesh side storage pockets, perfect for keeping small items within easy reach, and a convenient mesh side beverage holder for your drinks. The messenger-style bag is not only for transportation, but also serves as a clever chairback storage caddy. This dual-purpose functionality ensures that you're making the most of your outdoor seating solution. The GCI Outdoor Pico armchair is a versatile companion for a wide range of outdoor activities. Its portable and compact design, quality construction, and thoughtful features make it a comfortable and hassle-free outdoor seating solution, so you can take this chair with you on your camping trip. Number 2. Helinox Zero Chair. Designed to meet the needs of backpackers, campers, hikers, and bikers, this chair is engineered with thoughtful features that cater to outdoor enthusiasts seeking a balance between comfort and convenience. Constructed with robust ripstop polyester, the chair is remarkably sturdy, yet incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 1.1 pounds. This type of gear you can carry in your backpack without hesitation. Helinox Zero. Chair's high-quality DAC is made of aluminum alloy. This material strikes the perfect balance between strength and weight, ensuring the chair can support up to 265 pounds. This chair is available in 3 colors: black, gray, white. The ripstop polyester used for both the seat and the carry sack can withstand harsh weather conditions and resist the damaging effects of UV rays. The chair can handle unexpected twists. With a single internal bungee cord, assembling the chair is a hassle-free experience. A comfortable seating position and 8.5-inch seat height ensure that you can sit comfortably. The chair is very easy to carry, can be packed like a water bottle. Its lightweight design, coupled with durable materials and a convenient setup process, make it an essential companion for anyone who values both comfort and convenience during outdoor adventures. The next time you're planning a camping trip or gearing up for a backpacking adventure, consider the Helinox Zero Chair. It will elevate your outdoor experience to new heights. Number 1. Kelty Loveseat Double Chair. The chair is thoughtfully crafted to provide you with the ultimate outdoor lounging experience. Made with high-quality materials and expert Kelty craftsmanship, this chair can withstand the rigors of outdoor life and ensures your comfort is paramount. This camping chair is made from durable polyester. This chair has a weight capacity of 400 pounds and is available in 2 colors: Canyon Brown and Deep Lake. The Kelty Loveseat Double Chair is comfortable, reclining slightly to seat not 1, but 2 people comfortably. Whether you're snuggling up with your partner, sharing stories with a friend, or simply spreading out on your own, this Loveseat offers a generous 42 inches of seating space. Even your furry companion can join in on the comfort, making this chair perfect for bonding time with your beloved pet. The cushioned, insulated, and nearly indestructible 600D weight polyester fabric ensures that your lounging experience remains enjoyable and cozy. Whether you're at the beach, camping by the lakeside, or simply enjoying a picnic in the park, the Kelty Loveseat Double Chair is your ideal companion. Its sturdy steel frame ensures that it can handle the ruggedness of the outdoors, making it an essential staple for outdoor chilling. No outdoor lounging experience is complete without refreshments. This chair can accommodate drink holders with adjustable armrests. You can keep your favorite beverage within reach while relaxing, and there's enough room left for your favorite snacks or marshmallows to toast over the campfire. When it's time to pack it up and head out on your next adventure, you can fold this chair neatly into the included padded roll tote. Its thoughtful design, comfortable cushioning, durable construction, and convenient portability make it an essential addition to your outdoor gear collection. Whether you're a camping enthusiast, a beach lover, or simply someone who enjoys relaxing outdoors, this Loveseat is sure to become your go-to seating solution. Please don't hesitate to drop any questions or comments in the comment section below. Your feedback is highly appreciated. I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next video.